we really need to do this pocket or this slot running the length of the part first. That will give the tool some relief when it cuts around these edges right here. So let's go up and do a pocketing operation real quick. So we're going to go pocketing. For the curves, we're going to use these two rectangles right here. Okay, and we're going to use our tool. We're going to use our flat end mill, 3/4 inch flat end mill. The cut parameters, we're going to leave that at 0. We're going to cut right up to the side walls. We'll use an offset cut pattern, mixed cut direction, and we'll do a cleanup pass since we're finishing off these side walls. And again, the cut levels, where's the location of the cut geometry? Is at the bottom. And for the depth of cut, let's just measure that. So it's 2 inches. Okay. And so let's set this up to say, we'll just leave it at 2 inches and we'll do a depth per cut of 1/4 inch. Okay. And let's see, we'll do a depth first. In other words, it'll do the entire pocket and then it'll go over and do the other pocket. Pocketing entry and exit, we'll just leave it set to a ramp entry and a linear exit. And we don't really have any arcs that we need to worry about. So let's just generate that. So here's our pocketing for both sides. Let's go ahead and simulate that real quick. Turn the toolpath off. So you see we got 2 slots to go the entire length of the part. Now let's hop back into